Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss, calling the shots and building something from the ground up? If so, then starting your own business might be the perfect adventure for you. Today we're diving into the exciting world of entrepreneurship with a look at the 5 best businesses to start in 2024. The economic landscape is shifting, and there are incredible opportunities waiting for those who are ready to take the leap. Now, with the way things are going, the time to act is now. Don't miss out on this chance to be your own boss and build your future. But let's be honest, starting a business isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges, a crowded market, fierce competition, and ever-changing consumer trends. But fear not, because we've got the perfect businesses to navigate these hurdles. So what are the top 5 business ideas that are poised for success in 2024? Here's some fantastic options, all known for being low cost and highly profitable. Cleaning services, mowing businesses, power washing businesses, laundry and pool cleaning businesses. These are just a few examples, and there are many other service-based businesses with low overhead costs and high potential. But wait, there's more. Out of these fantastic options, one truly stands out as the top business idea for 2024. The top pick is cleaning services. The reason why I think this is the best business, because it has nearly no startup cost, and this business is practically recession-proof. Remember, the key to success is choosing the right business idea that aligns with your skills and interests. Be prepared to work hard, overcome challenges, and adapt to changing market conditions. Let us know in the comments below what you think are the best businesses to start in 2024. And if you're hungry for more entrepreneurial tips and business ideas, don't forget to subscribe for future videos.